Hey folks, radar is still quiet over the valley. We're looking and we're looking and we're looking. We don't see much. There was a little shower popped up right out here, right on the western edge of Starr County. See that? And that's it. Things otherwise have been pretty quiet. Last night, we saw stuff fire up over here, move this direction. We'd already seen these showers here, but nothing to speak of tonight. Where the thunderstorms are is to the north of the valley. A couple of noticeable storms. This one just west of I-35, west of Cotulla. That's producing some wind and some hail. And this one near Del Rio producing baseball-sized hail and winds of at least 70 miles per hour. And it's headed right toward downtown Del Rio, kind of east of Amistad Reservoir. And there's more stuff associated with that. And if you look at the big picture, you don't see much on there, right? But there's potential for some of this stuff to work its way south and eastward, and some could hold together, but most, if not all, should fade before reaching the valley. We still have that capping inversion in place, and it probably will be through at least tomorrow, but then tomorrow night it may erode, and when that happens, then we can see some stuff kind of sneak in. So let's go to the models. We'll go to the wider picture first. Look at all that stuff in the middle of Texas going to East Texas tonight, but let's go to the models. So you see activity up here. This is the NAM model, the North American model, and it says it all stays way north of us through midday tomorrow, even into tomorrow evening. Everything is north of us. You go into tomorrow night, what's left kind of sneaks down in here early in the morning on Saturday, and then that's it. It's over with only isolated showers showing up Saturday and Sunday. That is one of the bigger models. Now we're going to go to a high-resolution model, the high-resolution rapid refresh. We call it the HRRR. HRRR, and watch what happens with this. This suggests with the stuff that's up around Del Rio and remnants of that start making their way southward, getting close to the valley by just before 8 a.m. And by the time you get to 10, 11, 12 a.m., what's left of it just sneaks by, just to the north of us. But then we still have stuff firing up in Zapata County, Webb County, and this suggests that we've got thunderstorms coming across the valley by 7:15 tomorrow night in the western part of the valley, by 9 o'clock or so in the eastern part of the valley, and then it's gone. But look, it's not over. There's more coming from the north by midnight tomorrow night. That stuff, most of it stays to the north of us, but scattered stuff reaching into the valley by the early morning hours of Saturday, and then the big stuff's over and just scattered showers probable after that. Rain chances really ramp up, but not to 100%, but at least a 40% probability starting late tomorrow into tomorrow night, and then Saturday and Sunday as well. Temperature-wise, we're all right around 80 right now, a little cooler in the east. Overnight tonight, we bottom out in the 70s, and then tomorrow we warm back up into the 80s and 90s once again. Southeast winds 10 to 20. Of course, if you get rained on, temperatures will drop. So your first 1-5 accurate with the forecast for tonight. 76 breezy and muggy. There's still the possibility of a stray storm. We've got to really watch this. The atmosphere just trying really hard to get something to fire. Just hasn't happened yet. Spotty storms tomorrow, especially late in the day, and again overnight tomorrow night. Here you go. The next 7 days. Once we introduce that chance of rain, it stays with us until Tuesday. I think by Wednesday, it's out of here. Best chance probably tomorrow night and into Saturday, but even Sunday, scattered showers. That's your updated first 1-5 forecast.